Everything I am, I'm trading. Got my life in your hands, all my plans, cause I'm trading. What's good for me, cause you're good for me. I know it's been a while, but I gotta tell the truth.
So I'm finished eating. I'm gonna be washing. I have quite a few to wash. Kind of look dark, but second. Right, so I have quite a few to wash. But let's see how much we can wash today. It's the machine though, but yeah. So I have to wash these, so my clothes and also my sheets. So let's see how that goes and all of that. Wash my Crocs. I just washed the Crocs I wore yesterday. I did wear my white Crocs. I never wash it, so I'm just wash it too. So yes, the clothes is rinsing now, and then I'm gonna hang out, then wash the sheets. The sun be sunny. So I just finished cleaning the kitchen. I swept around that side. I have like the room, my room, my sister's room, bathroom, mother room. We sweep. So yeah, the clothes even dry already. Yeah, dry. So the sheets I'm gonna put back on that bottom sheet and the sheet way over there. So, but the blanket I'm gonna be using is this yellow blankets. Yeah, this is what I'm going to be using, but I don't know how that's all up on the bed because I don't think it's as big as my comforter. So you know how that's all up it's. I'm tired now. I think I like near 2 o'clock and I wanted to finish everything by 2 o'clock. It's not gonna happen, so I'm gonna aim for 4. I don't know if that'll work either. My hand hurt me, but yeah.
Guys, say bye to Shanshan. Good morning.
Our people is peace, because I don't want y'all to come at me.
Me say, I also do it too. Alright guys, I'm out here early doing what I don't know. Oh, waiting on this girl and I taxi,
Which is late.
the good things I'm comfortable.
Learn to drive.
Talk truths. Bye Bobby, love you. Good morning. So it is Tuesday, it is a new day, and I kind of just get up and I just wake up from probably about 5:30 thereabouts. But you know why make it up? Sinus surgery as well. So yeah, so I'm up. It's like after 7 right now, so we're having like online school. Tell me why I miss online school from like during COVID time, like getting up this morning and just going, putting on my clothes, going to the restroom to just freshen up, and then coming back thinking, you know, just to teach online. It would have been so good. It's for an introvert like me, trust me, that was great. Anyways, we can't have that right now. I wouldn't mind somebody like the ministry pay me for stay in my yard for teach, because I loved online school. Yeah. Anyways, so I even got up and catch up my ear so that my ear not in a day wrap for the entire day. Yeah, I'm not only trying to get better at vlogging, I'm trying to get better at taking care of myself, being happy, and all of that. So it's a lot. Yeah. So yes, I have quite a few things on my list to do today. From yesterday, I think I didn't wipe, and I didn't do like the lesson plans. Those are still on my list for today, as well as a few more stuff because I have to like send work for them to do. I did not went teach because not all of the children are on the thing, so we just say, you know what, just send him work. I just one day, so I'm gonna just send him work from what was taught before. So yes, that's what's happening. So guys, yeah, let's get on with today. If you have been liking the vlog so far, don't forget to like, and if you would like to subscribe, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe. Yeah, thank you. Good morning guys, it is Wednesday. I hardly vlogged yesterday, to be honest. Like I did a little bit of vlogging, sorry. So it is Wednesday and I'm going back to work. Did enjoy the 2 little day break, and I was hoping for more, but you can't complain. We gotta go to work today. So yeah, I'm ready to go, and I have quite a few things to do today. So I'm hoping to get all of them done. I'm trying to get back disciplined. Well, I'm trying to be disciplined. I don't think I've ever been disciplined, but yes, I'm trying to be disciplined. So I have quite a few things to do this afternoon. Yeah, so we'll see how that goes. Like, I need your friend in the girl. All right guys, so we stop a little bit. Some just updates, you know. So yes, it is 7:30 right now, and I am almost at work. So we'll just stop to get some. Yeah, my eye might itch me. I think I need to go and test my eyes because they have been itching and hurting lately. So I think we need to test them, but glasses are so expensive.
Drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me.
Sleep camp. Sure. I'm back home, so I went to do some hygiene shopping. So I was doing some hygiene shopping, so I was out of pretty much everything that I had. Well, not everything, most of me. I was out of my deodorant, my spray, and both the stick deodorant as well as my soap. So my soap is pretty much, I just have one left, the one that I'm using, so I had to go and buy some. I bought myself my Dove, and this is the original scent. This is the one I love. I prefer this one, I don't know why. And I got myself 3 of my original soap as well. So yeah, 3 of those. And then the next thing I got is my Dove deodorant, and this is in the first scent, which is also my favorite scent. So yes, those 3 things I got as hygiene stuff. And then I got these 3 things as I showed you. As I was showing you, I got myself a mesh cap, because my mesh cap, it kind of stretch out and I only want. So like if I wash it now, I have to make sure that I wash it and it's actually dry same time. So I needed one more. So my mesh wrap, yeah. So I'm gonna use that till next week, because I'm gonna just wait until I wash my hair again. And then I got myself a sleep cap, because I also only have that one that fits well. So also if I wash it, then I have to wait. So yeah, hopefully this fit well, because the thing is about these, they don't fit well. I'm gonna show you the other one. This one is my favorite one, and this is why. The part here, it fits well around my head. Right now it kind of stretch out, but it fits well around my head. It doesn't squeeze, but these tend to squeeze because of the elastic way up right here. So I'm trying to order one or some like these on Shein, but I haven't made the order yet, so I need this in the meantime. So about that. And then last but certainly not least is my shower cap. So right now when I go in the shower, my hair always, well, my head, something always wet up, because I don't got none of these. So I just bought one of that, so I will wear when I'm going to shower. And then I also want to do a deep clean, a deep conditioner, something in my ear, either tomorrow or Saturday, and I'm gonna be using this. So when I put whatever on my head, I'm just gonna put it on and let it sit for a while. So yeah, yes. And then last thing that I got today is this ramen thing. All right, so I saw one of my YouTubers that I watch, which is also one of my students, she tried, this is not the one she tried, I think I was showing you guys some of them that I was looking at before, but I kind of prefer to buy the cup soup. So I said I'll try the cup soup, and if anything I buy the noodles separately, right? So I tried, I'm gonna try this. I don't know if a cup soup or a cup noodles, noodle soup. So yes, I want cup soup, but it's like a Chinese cup soup. So it's samyang ramen. All right, so I'm gonna be trying this. I wonder if my carrot got good tomorrow. If my carrot got good tomorrow and then my belly go hurt me, how that work? No, I'm gonna leave this. It's like when I come home or something, Saturday or something. So yes, gonna try this. All right, and see how that tastes and let you know. Good morning, guys. It is a rainy day. Well, rainy morning. I don't know if the day is going to be very rainy, but it's a rainy morning. Sun will come out though, so it might stop, but I don't know. So it's Friday, guys. It is Friday. All right, I'm gonna head to work. I'm kind of late. It's like about 7:30 right now, so it's late. So yes, we're heading to work. Let's see how today goes.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny.